Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a DeepSeek account so you can use the DeepSeek AI for free. So first of all, you just need to open a browser and Google search for DeepSeek AI. Then go to this deepseek.com. After coming to the website, you just need to click on start now. And after that, if you want to create an account, don't click on sign up. You just need to click on this login with Google. If you have a Gmail account, just click on login with Google. And you must also sign in with this Gmail in your Chrome browser. Then choose the Gmail that you want to sign in. Click continue. And after that, you will be logged into your DeepSeek AI account. If you do not successfully log in the first time, try again, it will work and you will be logged into your account. As you can see, this is the same Gmail that I've used to create an account in DeepSeek. So that's it guys. Now you can use the DeepSeek AI and this is how you can create an account in DeepSeek. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.